Have you ever wondered what it really takes to achieve financial success? How do some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? If you've been pondering these questions, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 fundamental rules of money. These rules will guide you on how to make it, save it, and invest it to grow. If you want to know how to dress your body type to look elegant and classy, download our detailed ebook below. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's embark on this financial journey together. Rule number 1. Diversify your income sources. The first rule of making money is not to rely on a single source of income. Diversifying your income streams can provide financial security and increase your overall earning potential. Think about it. What happens if you lose your job or if your primary source of income dries up? Having multiple income streams can cushion you against such uncertainties. Start by exploring your skills and interests. Do you have a hobby or talent that could be turned into a side business? Maybe you're good at graphic design, writing, or tutoring. The gig economy offers numerous opportunities to earn extra income. Additionally, consider passive income sources like rental properties, dividends from stocks, or royalties from creative work. By diversifying your income, you create a robust financial foundation that can withstand economic fluctuations and provide you with more financial freedom. For example, I began diversifying my income by leveraging my writing skills. I started a freelance writing business on the side while maintaining my full-time job. Over time, I built a solid client base and began earning a significant amount from my freelancing. This extra income allowed me to invest in other opportunities, such as purchasing rental properties and investing in dividend-paying stocks. Not only did this diversification increase my earnings, but it also provided me with financial security in case of job loss or other financial emergencies. Diversifying your income also means being open to new opportunities and continuously learning. The more skills and knowledge you acquire, the more opportunities you'll have to earn additional income. This proactive approach to income diversification not only boosts your earnings, but also enhances your financial resilience. For instance, investing time in learning a new language, mastering digital marketing, or developing coding skills can open doors to freelance opportunities, consulting gigs, or even new career paths. Networking is another powerful tool for income diversification. Building relationships with professionals in various industries can lead to unexpected opportunities. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and participate in online forums to expand your network. By connecting with others, you can gain insights, collaborate on projects, and discover new income streams that you might not have considered before. Rule number 2, live below your means. One of the most crucial rules of money is to live below your means. This principle is simple but powerful. Spend less than you earn. It sounds straightforward, yet many people struggle with this concept due to lifestyle inflation, spending more as their income increases. Living below your means requires disciplined budgeting. Start by tracking your expenses to understand where your money goes each month. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. For example, cooking at home instead of dining out, canceling unused subscriptions, or opting for a staycation instead of an expensive vacation. Creating a budget and sticking to it can help you save more money and reduce financial stress. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments before spending on non-essentials. This approach ensures that you prioritize your financial goals and avoid unnecessary debt. Personally, I found that tracking my expenses was a game changer. I realized I was spending a lot on takeout and subscriptions I rarely used. By cutting back on these expenses and setting a strict budget, I was able to save a significant amount each month. This allowed me to build a substantial emergency fund and start investing more aggressively. Living below your means also allows you to build an emergency fund, which is essential for financial security. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This fund will act as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or loss of income, giving you peace of mind and financial stability. In addition to creating a budget, consider adopting a minimalist mindset. Focus on the things that truly bring value and joy to your life, and let go of unnecessary material possessions. This shift in mindset can lead to more mindful spending and a greater appreciation for the non-material aspects of life, such as relationships, experiences, and personal growth. Rule number 3. Save and automate your savings. Saving money is a fundamental aspect of financial success. However, saving can be challenging if you don't have a structured plan. That's where automation comes in. Automating your savings ensures that you consistently set aside money without having to think about it. Start by setting specific savings goals. Whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or planning for retirement, having clear goals can motivate you to save. Once you've identified your goals, automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. Automation makes saving effortless and ensures that you prioritize your financial goals. It eliminates the temptation to spend money that should be saved and helps you build a consistent savings habit. Consider using apps or tools that round up your purchases and save the spare change, or set up recurring transfers to a high-yield savings account. In addition to automating your savings, take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like a 401(k) or 403(b). Contribute enough to get any employer match, as this is essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. If your employer offers direct deposit, allocate a portion of your paycheck directly to your retirement account to ensure consistent contributions. Another effective saving strategy is to adopt the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This rule provides a balanced approach to managing your finances, ensuring that you save consistently while still enjoying life and covering essential expenses. For instance, I set up automatic transfers to multiple savings accounts dedicated to different goals, such as an emergency fund, vacation fund, and future home purchase fund. By automating these transfers, I never had to worry about remembering to save, and I was consistently making progress toward my financial goals. Rule number 4, invest wisely and consistently. Saving money is essential, but to truly grow your wealth, you need to invest. Investing allows your money to work for you, generating returns over time. However, investing can be intimidating if you're new to it. The key is to start early, invest consistently, and diversify your investments. Begin by educating yourself about the different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each investment type has its own risk and return profile, so it's important to understand how they work. Consider starting with low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which offer diversification and have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Investing consistently, regardless of market conditions, is crucial. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It reduces the impact of market volatility and allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Diversification is also vital for managing investment risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions to minimize the impact of poor performance in any one area. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation and adjust for changes in your financial goals or risk tolerance. Don't forget to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and Roth IRAs for retirement savings. These accounts offer tax benefits that can enhance your investment returns over time. Additionally, consider working with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance and support with your investment strategy. In addition to traditional investments, explore alternative investment opportunities such as peer-to-peer lending, real estate crowdfunding, or investing in startups. These options can offer attractive returns and add further diversification to your portfolio. However, be sure to thoroughly research and understand the risks associated with alternative investments before committing your money. For example, I started investing in index funds through a Roth IRA, taking advantage of the tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. Over time, I expanded my portfolio to include dividend-paying stocks and real estate crowdfunding, which provided me with additional income streams and diversification. Rule number 5, continuously educate yourself about money. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial for making sound financial decisions. Continuously educating yourself about money can help you stay ahead of financial trends, understand new investment opportunities, and avoid common pitfalls. Make a habit of reading books, articles, and blogs about personal finance and investing. Follow reputable financial experts and organizations on social media, and listen to finance-related podcasts. Attend workshops, webinars, and seminars to expand your knowledge and stay updated on the latest financial strategies. Consider taking formal courses or certifications if you want to deepen your understanding of finance. Many online platforms offer courses on budgeting, investing, and financial planning that can enhance your financial literacy and decision-making skills. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can also be beneficial. Join finance-related forums or groups where you can share experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Surrounding yourself with people who are committed to financial success can provide motivation and support as you work towards your goals. Remember, financial education is a lifelong journey. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, adapt to changes, and build lasting wealth. Consider setting aside regular time for financial education, whether it's a weekly podcast, a monthly book, or quarterly workshops. Continuous learning keeps you informed and prepared to navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. For example, I make it a point to read at least one personal finance book each month and attend webinars hosted by financial experts. This ongoing education has helped me stay informed about new investment strategies, tax laws, and financial planning techniques. It has also empowered me to make more confident and informed decisions about my money. By following these 5 rules of money, diversifying your income, living below your means, saving and automating your savings, investing wisely and consistently, and continuously educating yourself, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve long-term financial success. These principles are not just about accumulating wealth, but about creating financial security and freedom. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of financial wisdom. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed to these rules, and you'll find yourself on the path to financial freedom and prosperity. If you have any questions or additional tips to share, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on managing and growing your wealth. If you want to know how to dress your body type to look elegant and classy, download our detailed ebook below. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Take care, and here's to your financial success.